I just lost my voice. Bingo! Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2012 Toyota Tacoma Extreme Off-Road 4-wheel drive truck that we bought to just fix up, to try to get it fixed really quick so we could sell it really quick, make just a little bit of money to buy something else over at the auction. We've got our eyes on a lot of things, so we got a lot of exciting things coming to the channel. And then what we're going to do today, in the last video we did start doing some body work on this A-pillar right here. So we're going to get all of this studded out today. We're going to get it all smoothed down as best we can. We're going to get it perfect. It's going to be perfect. We're going to get it in some primer. That's our goal. We got another thing we got to get done today. JP, he don't have no radio in this truck because the antenna is broke off in it over here. So somebody probably at the auction lot, they grabbed this antenna and broke it right off. So what we're going to do, we're going to drill it out. We got a bunch of drill bits. We got an extractor set. We're going to get this thing out. We're going to save ourselves about $150 and a whole lot of work. So let's stop talking. Let's start working. Bingo! Man, we got music now. Look at that. Cannot believe that worked. Hey, that's a win and we'll take it. Alrighty guys, Man, we have been going like a couple of crazy guys on this thing today. CC, he spun up here for just a minute like the daggone Tasmanian devil. He blowed in this door, spun around and blowed right on out. I don't know what the heck he's into today, but me and JP, we are eating the paint dust today because we've been studding that A-pillar out. It looks absolutely phenomenal. We drilled out the antenna, which is 100% completely amazing. Me and JP are both sitting here thinking, my goodness. But what we done is we sanded this hood down. JP did put just a little bit of glaze on it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit this with the primer all over. I think it just, where the sun just shined down on the hood, it kind of blistered it up. So we're gonna primer the whole hood. We're gonna finish sanding down that A-pillar over there. Not gonna get done with that today, I don't think. But we're gonna get it primered up because the sucker gotta hit the road. So we're gonna hop to it. We're gonna get this thing primed. We're gonna cut that down. We're gonna get some primer on it. So let's hop back to it. wanting to get some of this work done. We're wanting to get some of these spots fixed on these trucks. Nothing major, just a little minor ding or two on the hood. Just a couple little dingers, nothing bad. But we wanted to get that done. We wanted to get it all primed up. And look at that. We certainly did. This sucker is all primed up. This hood is looking absolutely amazing. We got 3 good coats of primer on that. It looks phenomenal. Man, that thing is perfect. We got to block it down again, maybe put a little glaze on a spot or 2, just the minor things, but man, we couldn't be more happy. From where the A-pillar was to where it is now, it is crazy. Check this thing out. Man, it's looking amazing. This A-pillar is turning out perfect. Just a little bit of time, just a very little bit of filler is all we had to use. And I mean, it looks perfect. This is a 2012 truck. You know, it's got 100,000 miles. So this was the fix for this truck, to just make it easy on ourselves, to make it look perfect. The other thing we got going on today, the thing that went our way, which I can't believe that it did, is we were able to drill that antenna out. I mean, this antenna mast, it cost like almost $200 to buy this thing. And somebody broke it off at the Copart or somewhere or whatever. It was broke off down in there. We were able to drill it out. I cannot believe that we got this thing out. But we did. We're thankful for it. We can listen to the radio now. Alrighty, guys. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram at orangewires01. Check that out. We always post things before YouTube. This truck is really coming together. It's absolutely amazing. We love driving it. We've driven it around since pretty much the day we unloaded it. It's a great little truck. We're making tremendous amount of progress on it. Be sure and drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.